Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best home tool sets is probably one of the most indispensable items for any homeowner or handyman. Whether you're tackling a quick fix, assembling furniture, or embarking on a more ambitious DIY project, having a reliable tool set at your disposal can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore some of the top-rated home tool sets available, helping you find the perfect one to meet your needs and budget. Number 5. DEKOPRO 228-piece auto repair tool set. This tool set is forged from high-quality steel and finished in high-polish chrome, ensuring strength, durability, and anti-corrosion protection. All the tools meet or exceed ANSI critical standards, so you can trust its quality. It contains tools needed for most small repairs and basic DIY projects. Perfect for handymen, repairmen, and anyone needing a comprehensive set at home, in the garage, or at the workshop. The set includes professional-grade wrenches, ratchets, and a complete range of sockets and screwdriver bits. The 72-tooth ratchet easily shifts to change direction. It also includes soft grip handles for comfort and control. The tools are housed in a handy blow-molded case for easy storage and portability. Its sturdy interior and organizer keeps everything in place, making it easy to transport and store. The black case is dirt-resistant with a unique diamond-shaped design. The case size is 17.5 x 13.5 x 3.94, and the net weight is 12.78 pounds. This set is both practical and stylish. What we like. This set is built to last, thanks to its high-quality steel construction. It includes a comprehensive range of tools for various tasks. Its design makes it easy to carry and store, perfect for any home or workshop. If you are looking for a durable and versatile tool set for all your repair needs, this is the one. What people say. Has everything you need and great quality tools. Purchased as a gift for an apartment dweller, this set is a good assortment of well-made tools in a useful case. It's an amazing collection of tools you find yourself reaching for all the time. It has everything. The case is sturdy, the tools don't fall out, and each piece is better quality than the tools I own myself. Number 4. Prostormer 259-piece toolkit. This Prostormer tool kit is made of high-quality steel with a heat-treated chrome finish, making it durable and resistant to corrosion. The handles are made of TPR material, providing a comfortable grip for any task. With 259 pieces, this tool kit is perfect for small repairs and DIY projects around the house or in your car. It's easy to carry and store, making it a convenient solution for any situation. The kit includes a wide range of professional-grade wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, and more. The 72-tooth ratchet allows for easy direction changes, and the soft grip handles provide excellent comfort and control. All the tools are neatly organized in a durable plastic case with molded compartments. This keeps everything protected and easily accessible whenever you need it. This Prostormer tool kit makes a great gift for family and friends. It's ideal for special occasions like Father's Day or birthdays, and it's sure to be appreciated by anyone who enjoys DIY projects. Remember to open the toolbox with the Prostormer logo facing up to keep the tools secure. This kit provides everything you need for home and car repairs. What we like. Made with high-quality materials, this kit offers durability and corrosion resistance. It's an all-in-one solution for most repairs and DIY projects. It's also a great gift choice for friends and family. If you are looking for a comprehensive and reliable tool kit to give as a gift, consider this one. What people say. The tools are of good quality and have a nice finish. The set includes a wide variety of tools, making it suitable for various tasks. The case is well designed and keeps the tools organized. Number 3. Sundpey 148 PCS Home Tool Kit. Introducing the Sundpey 148 PCS Home Tool Kit. This set includes all the basic hand tools you need for household repairs. It's a complete solution for various tasks. This kit contains a wide array of tools, such as screwdrivers, a voltage tester, pliers, and a wrench. It also includes a tape measure. This ensures you're prepared for almost any home maintenance task. The Sundpey tool kit is perfect for DIY projects and small repairs. It's suitable for various users, from DIY enthusiasts to professionals. You can keep it at home, in the garage, or even at the office. The tools are made from high-quality steel, designed for durability and rust protection. This ensures that the tools will last for years. It's a reliable set for all your repair needs. The toolbox is designed to keep all the tools organized and secure. The compact design makes it easy to transport. It keeps everything tidy and prevents tools from falling out. The Sundpey tool kit is tested for safety and functionality. It's an ideal gift for family and friends. If you have any issues, Sundpey offers professional solutions. Remember to open the toolbox with the logo facing up. What we like. This kit contains all the basic hand repair tools you need for home maintenance. It's designed to be portable and versatile, suitable for various tasks. The tools are made of good quality steel for long-lasting use. If you like a compact and reliable tool set for everyday repairs, this is a great option. What people say. Excellent choice of tools and kit. Great quality. All worked perfectly. Well-organized case. Excellent for everyday fix-it projects around home, pretty quality for price, and tool selection is real good. Number 2. Sundpey 257 PC's Home Tool Kit. This compact tool kit includes a wide array of tools. It contains everything you need for various tasks, from wrenches to screwdrivers and more. This set is designed to handle a multitude of jobs. This tool kit is perfect for both men and women. It's suitable for home repairs, car maintenance, and DIY projects. It's a great gift for beginners and experienced users alike. The toolbox is compact and easy to carry. You can store it on shelves or in cupboards. The sliding locks keep the tools secure. Inside, everything is neatly organized to prevent items from falling out. Each tool is made of high-quality steel with anti-corrosion treatment. The handles are ergonomically designed for comfortable use. With proper use, these tools are built to last a lifetime. We offer a 12-month product service and lifetime support. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we will respond within 24 hours. Remember to open the toolbox with the Sundpey logo facing up. What we like. This complete hand tool kit is designed for a wide range of uses, from home repairs to car maintenance. It's multifunctional, suitable for everyone from beginners to professionals. The portable toolbox makes it easy to store and transport. If you are looking for a versatile and comprehensive tool set for various projects, this is the one to choose. What people say. I'm writing this review after 3 years with this set, and let me tell you, these tools are great. I really like working with my hands on house projects, and these have held up far better than I ever imagined. These are used at least weekly and I haven't had to replace a single tool. This is the only all-in-one tool set that could find that actually made sense. I was very surprised at the quality of this set and that it included all basic items instead of useless items like a lot of the sets out there. Diocese set in Thalt alles, was man für klein Reparaturen und DIY-Projekt zu Hause braucht. Die Werkzeuge sind robust, gut verarbeitet und liegen angenehm in der Hand. Besonders praktisch ist die übersichtliche Aufbewahrungsbox, die für Ordnung sorgt. Eagle ob Schrauben, Hammern oder Messen, mit diesem Set ist man bestens ausgestattet. Number 1. 20V Cordless Drill Tool Kit. Introducing the 20V Cordless Drill, a powerful tool for any task. It features a long-lasting battery and high-speed motor, making it perfect for various projects. This drill charges quickly in just 1.5 hours and can last for hours of use. It's ideal for both quick fixes and more extensive DIY projects around the house. The cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere, reducing fatigue during work. The included toolbox keeps everything organized and easy to carry. This drill is perfect for drilling into wood, metal, and plastic. It's also great for assembling furniture and handling home repairs. The kit includes essential tools like screwdrivers, a saw, and more, all neatly stored in a sturdy case. It's a complete solution for any home project. This toolkit makes a great gift for anyone, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a practical and valuable gift for anyone. What we like. This set includes a powerful 20V power drill, making it ideal for various tasks. The tools are designed to be portable and easy to use, perfect for both men and women. It's equipped with multifunction drills for different projects. If you're looking for a power tool set with a cordless drill for home projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The tools are of good quality. The set has a good selection of tools. The case is sturdy and keeps everything organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.